Hey guys, it's Des from Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Moto G Play. The G Play features a powerful 5,000 mAh battery and a large 6.5-inch display, and it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide LTE network. Now let's check out the G Play's features and see what's inside the box. Starting with the front of the G Play, you'll meet the 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display and 5-megapixel front-facing camera. It runs on T-Mobile's nationwide 4G LTE network. On the back, you'll see its 13-megapixel dual camera system and fingerprint sensor. Up on top, the Moto G Play has a 3.5mm headset jack. Now the Moto G Play supports a USB Type-C charging and has a powerful 5,000 mAh battery. And the Moto G Play even has a water-repellent design for those accidental spills. The Moto G Play is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 processor and has 3 gigs of RAM. It has 32 gigs of onboard storage and a micro SD card expansion slot, and it runs Android 10 operating system. In the box, we have the Moto G Play, your new Metro by T-Mobile SIM card. Always use the latest SIM card in the box, the quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and a wall charger. With the G Play's large display and powerful battery, over T-Mobile's nationwide 4G LTE network, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite games and videos on the go. You can check out the new Moto G Play at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store or metrobytmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.